Hello everyone, this is Nicholas. I'm recording this video directly from the built-in microphone and webcam of my brand new Samsung Galaxy Book Pro. I'm not gonna do any post-editing to it so that you can be the judge whether the video quality of the webcam and the audio quality of the built-in microphone meet your standards or not. Um, As I mentioned in my previous review video of the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro, having a half HD webcam in 720p in a premium laptop in the year 2021 is completely pathetic, considering that you can easily get a full HD one from eBay for less than 10 bucks. Not to mention that video conferencing has become an essential part of our lives after the unfortunate pandemic hit us hard last year. Um, Even if things go back to normal, I expect that a lot of us will just continue to work from home. So a laptop with a decent microphone and webcam should be on top of your list when you are evaluating a computer. That way you don't have to spend extra money for an external microphone or webcam. Just to give you a little bit context about this space. So I'm in my bedroom now. So the room is about 120 square feet. All the walls are hard surfaces, so you can expect a certain amount of echo, which is normal. As you can see, the walls, the doors, they are all in light color. And I have the window on my right-hand side that provides natural sunlight into the room. And that's pretty much the only light source. Another reason that I decided to do this video is because my YouTube view count and subscriber numbers increased substantially over the weekend. So I think I owe you guys to show my face so that you can relate to me more closely. Previously, I was kind of reluctant to show my face because of the recent Asian hate sentiment in this country, but that's a separate topic that belongs to another video. Anyways, because all Asians look alike, so I don't even think you can recognize me if you bumped into me on the street. I mean, even sometimes when I go to Asian grocery stores, I can easily find a handful of guys that totally look like my twin brothers. And trust me, it feels really awkward and sometimes maybe even funny to randomly see people that look exactly like you. You probably wanna ask, yo man, why do you wear a hat in your own bedroom? Take it off, dude. Well, after the pandemic hit, I've been cutting my own hair. So let's just say that my hairstyle is not something that I'm proud to show you. All right, so enough chit chat for the day. I also want to show you some built-in functions of this webcam app. So it comes with certain filters. They call it beauty filters. So by default, it's off, and then I can turn the other one on. This one is natural, so I'm not sure whether you can tell the difference. And then the next one is called clean. So yeah, I it do looks like my skin tone cleaned up a little bit. And the next one is called beauty. So as you can see, I my face suddenly becomes it's thinner and also my skin almost like look like as clean as a girl. So there you have it. So let me just turn it off. So yeah, this is more natural to me. So there you have it, the unedited audio and video quality of the built-in microphone and webcam of my brand new Samsung Galaxy Book Pro. So let me know what you think in the comment section below. Is this webcam quality good enough for you, or are you expecting something better than this? Lastly, if you are getting any value from this video, even just a tiny little bit, I would greatly appreciate if you can just do me a favor and smash the like button below. So thank you very much again for your support. I will see you in my next video. Be safe and bye for now.